North Melbourne via Lookout Point. Down upfield service. Because it's still on the destination when I came over. No, it's nice. The Williamstown, I got those mixed up. It's the Williamstown one, not the upfield. I was looking on the destination before. Because they have 4 different trains, 5 different services come down here, it's hard to know which one it is. You have the Williamstown, Werribee, Sunbury, Craigieburn, and Upfield. And Water Gardens. Normal days, I don't run Femerton Race Course. Said it was. That's funny, it's got green destination on the front and yellow orange destination at the back. Warrnambool, coming over the bridge. That's where that thing went, so I was looking for. I was still on the thing. No, I haven't. Where's that E-Class coming from? I was over there, coming out of Docklands. It's the up Warrnambool. It always comes at this time of day. .454. Come see the springer so right. PM 10-3. Down Bacchus Marsh or down Geelong train with H cars. I reckon it's Bacchus Marsh. God, that sounds awesome. Second time today, N454. It must have coupled up to the H on the end sets. The N454 came in on the Warrnambool before. Yeah, I know. Yeah, copy was. SH34 with SH31. And no, that's empty, so that's not Bacchus Marsh, it's an empty set going to the yards. Yeah. Turn the radio down.
On the Bacchus Marsh, you're missing.
This is the Bacchus Marsh, I think. N474 coming up from Albury. Standard gauge.
I must just do the velocities in the afternoon.
It was running on this 405. N453 on the broad gauge. Cody running Bacchus Marsh on Melbourne. Didn't have Flossie coming past as well. Good. Very to broad gauge, N453. Hope that Flossie's got the red signal. Refurbished SSH 26. That was cheeseburger last time. Mosquito now. That's refurbished at RH sets. Also 24 on the down South Geelong. Oh. Down Warrnambool, 1707 departure from Southern Cross. Down Warrnambool. Well, I'm close because N467. Driver's floor on the throttle. Play the horn, mate. Probably dead driving. BN5, car 6. Those cameras going nuts today. Five times went out of focus on that locomotive set. I'm in train down Craigieburn service.
Classic N474 on the Albury run.
Standard gauge.
I must just do the velocities in the afternoon.
They run them 405. They don't run the H to Geelong. Oh, it's insets. This might actually be the Geelong news. Oh, DN04.